Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to talk about what you like to do in your free time in French? Welcome to 3-Step French Practice by FrenchPod101.com. In this lesson, you'll practice talking about your hobbies and what you like to do in your free time, using preference verbs like aimer, adorer, and préférer. Let's look at the main dialogue. Two people are having a conversation. Quand tu as du temps libre, tu fais quoi? When you have free time, what do you do? J'adore aller pêcher dès que j'en ai l'occasion. I love going fishing whenever I get the chance. In French, verbs like aimer, adorer, and préférer are used to talk about what you enjoy doing. They are all regular et verbs in the present tense, except for préférer, which has a small spelling change in some forms. For example, j'aime, j'adore, je préfère mean I like, I love, I prefer. Tu aimes, tu adores, tu préfères. You like, you love, you prefer. Il aime, elle adore, on préfère. He likes, she loves, we prefer. Nous aimons, vous adorez, il préfère. All follow the same basic endings. You can use any of these verbs followed by an infinitive verb to say what you like, love, or prefer doing. Let's keep practicing this structure in context. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Faire du jardinage le dimanche. Faire du jardinage le dimanche. Adore. Adore. J'adore faire du jardinage le dimanche. J'adore faire du jardinage le dimanche. I love gardening on Sundays. We use adore in this sentence because adorer means to love, and adore is the correct present tense form for the subject je. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Hugo. Écrire dans son journal chaque soir. Hugo. Écrire dans son journal chaque soir. Préfère. Préfère. Hugo préfère écrire dans son journal chaque soir. Hugo préfère écrire dans son journal chaque soir. Hugo prefers writing in his journal every evening. We use préfère in this sentence because préférer means to prefer. And préfère is the present tense form for the third person singular subject, Hugo. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Nous. Faire de la randonnée en été. Nous. Faire de la randonnée en été. Aimons. Aimons. Nous aimons faire de la randonnée en été. Nous aimons faire de la randonnée en été. We like hiking in the summer. We use aimons in this sentence because aimer means to like, and aimons is the present tense form for the first person plural subject nous. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Ready? Tu. Tu aimes. Tu aimes chanter. Tu aimes chanter sous. Tu aimes chanter sous la. Tu aimes chanter sous la douche? Do you like singing in the shower? Tu aimes chanter sous la douche? Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Camille, adorer, or adore, danser quand elle entend de la musique. Camille, adorer, or adore, danser quand elle entend de la musique. Adore. Adore. Camille adore danser quand elle entend de la musique. Camille loves dancing when she hears music. Adore is used here because adorer is the verb to love, and adore is the correct form for the third person singular subject, Camille, in the present tense. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? On préfère, or préfère, cuisiner plutôt que commander. On préfère, or préfère, cuisiner plutôt que commander. Préfère. Préfère. On préfère cuisiner plutôt que commander. We prefer cooking rather than ordering. Préfère is used here because préférer is the verb to prefer. And on uses the same verb form as il or elle. So préfère is correct in the present tense. Let's translate some sentences into French. Translate, you love painting during your vacation, into French. Vous, the subject pronoun, meaning you, formal or plural, followed by adorer, the present tense of adorer, meaning love. Next, peindre. The infinitive verb to paint, followed by pendant. A preposition meaning during. Next, vos vacances. Meaning your vacation. Adorer is the verb to love, and adorer is the present tense form for the formal or plural subject vous. Vous adorez peindre pendant vos vacances. Vous adorez peindre pendant vos vacances. Vous adorez peindre pendant vos vacances. You love painting during your vacation. Translate, Lucas and Inès like learning new languages into French. Lucas et Inès the subject, a third person plural group, followed by aime, the present tense of aimer, meaning like. Next, apprendre. The infinitive verb to learn, followed by de nouvelles langues. Meaning new languages. Aimer means to like, and aime is the correct present tense form for the third person plural subject Lucas et Inès. Lucas et Inès aiment apprendre de nouvelles langues. Lucas et Inès aiment apprendre de nouvelles langues. Lucas and Inès like learning new languages. Translate I prefer doing yoga after class into French. Je, the subject pronoun meaning I, followed by préfère, the present tense of préférer meaning prefer. Next, faire. The infinitive verb to do, followed by du yoga. Meaning yoga. Next, après les cours. After class. Préférer means to prefer, and préfère is the correct present tense form for the subject je. Je préfère faire du yoga après les cours. Je préfère faire du yoga après les cours. I prefer doing yoga after class. Listen to me as I speak. Which verb form is used in the sentence? J'adore faire du jardinage le dimanche. Let's listen one more time. J'adore faire du jardinage le dimanche. Did you hear? J'adore. We use j'adore because adorer means to love. Adore is the present tense for je, so it's j'adore. How about tu aimes chanter sous la douche? Let's listen one more time. Tu aimes chanter sous la douche. Did you hear? Tu aimes? We use aime because aimer means to like, and tu is you. Aime is the correct present tense for tu. Tu aimes. Next, on préfère cuisiner plutôt que commander. One more time. On préfère cuisiner plutôt que commander. Did you hear? On préfère? We use préfère because préférer means to prefer. And on uses the same verb ending as il or elle. Even though on means we. It takes the singular form on préfère. And Lucas et Inès aiment apprendre de nouvelles langues. One more time. Lucas et Inès aiment apprendre de nouvelles langues. Did you hear? Aime. We use aime because Lucas et Inès is a plural subject. Aimer becomes aime in the present tense when the subject is they. Lucas et Inès aiment. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to talk about what you like to do in your free time in French. And now you can move on to the next lesson in the pathway. Au revoir!